Hi, I'm Linda Ballou. I'm an adventure travel writer, and I'm the author of Lost Angel Walkabout, One Traveler's Tales. Now, in this collection of travel narratives, not articles, I bring to you the most memorable and therefore meaningful stories over my last decade or so travel experiences. You will find as you're reading these stories that there's a theme about connecting with nature, because I am an outdoor person. I hike all the time in these beautiful mountains. I swim in the beautiful waters in Southern California, and I find solace and strength and sustenance in nature. And this is something that I believe is a source for modern people to reconnect with themselves. You know, their head with their body, their heart with their mind. I think there are lessons to be learned in nature. Also, something that's really interesting and valuable to me is the universal connection that I see in the myths and the cultures of indigenous people that reflect and echo themselves in our modern cultures. And I talk about that a great deal in these stories, and I think that it's a valuable part of my collection. So I take you to Alaska, Costa Rica, Idaho on the Salmon River, the Picowe River, and I love rivers. I'm a water baby, so a lot of my stories take place on the water. I circumnavigated the island of Hawaii on a sailing boat and got caught in a storm off Napali. I've given you the best of what I've got, and I hope you'll stop into my site, LindaBallouAuthor.com, or check it out on Amazon or any of the major online distribution sites. Thank you.